Okay, so now we're going to look at deleting records. So we have our news links and we want to delete a record from that data table. So what we've had here is if you what to do, get news. If you, that is, if you don't have a what to do. If you do have one, you can edit or you can update. I have that possibility. But now let's add an else if what to do is equal to delete. Then we're going to delete the news. So deleting news is simple. We are sending the post data to it, which contains, of course, the ID field. That's what we really want. Our SQL statement says delete from news links where ID equals question mark. That's our placeholder. We prepare the SQL statement. We bind the ID to it, ID being an integer, and we execute. That's all we have to do. Close it. We're all done. So news item $ID has been deleted. But where are we going to put that? Well, let's go back to the edit news info where we had the form right here, edit news links. ID, what to do is value of an update. It's also got the other hidden ID, and it's just going to, when you click on that, it's going to allow you to edit the news on that particular ID field. However, we can throw in a few line breaks. I got an HR in there, just that's a horizontal line. Let's take a look at that. And then we'll create a new form. Delete news links. Same action equals self, method post. And it's got the submit value, delete this news item. So input, type equals hidden, what to do, value, delete. And then we add the ID field. So now we have two forms on that page. One that's going to allow you to click and update the data, or the other which knows what record number it is, it could just delete that. So that's how it's going to look on the screen with all the editing going on up here in the beginning, and after the horizontal line we have the delete this news item.